me wanna dance all night long. It's your summertime magic. Make me feel this way. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 go stop, stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 go stop, 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 stop. Is it time?
Hello. Welcome back to Making It with the Matthews, guys. Today is Saturday, May 30th, and it's Memorial Weekend. And we are at Isle of Palm Beaches, and we are going to show you guys all the fun things you can do when you're traveling to Charleston and spending a day on Isle of Palms. So, first things first, for parking, you can either park on the street. Of course, it's all municipal parking. There are kiosks that you're able to just go up once you park and pay for the full day. There are 2 lots, and each of those lots will allow, looks like probably 500 cars. So the key is to getting here on time, especially if it's a holiday weekend. So it's now 9:45, so we're here super early, and the lot is pretty much 50% full. So I'm going to show you guys. Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready for the beach?
Yes, I am. After I finish, I'm almost done with the book.
So this is Taylor, and she's reading, and she's beach ready. What are you reading?
Meg, Joe, Beth, and Amy. I'm almost done. Mommy, their story is like sad.
Oh, is it?
Their dad went on the military, and he was gone, and it was only the mom, and the mom has to keep on making.
Huh? So this book, guys, Taylor bought it from that Nomad book truck that we went to the other day, and she is almost done it.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we just paid for parking. We're not taking no chances out here, so we just paid for all day. So we here till 8 p.m. So you know it's a turn up. Oh yeah, $15. So it's not cheap, but it's better than having it towed or getting it ticketed or getting it booted, all right?
All right, guys, so this is Mel's outfit of the day. I'm rocking my shocking color swimsuit with the visor to match, because you know you need to get the sunblock from your face. And then I have this beautiful wrap skirt, you know, so I'm just feeling green today, guys.
What you got on your feet?
My Tevas, you know. This beautiful girl, outfit of the day. What are we rocking?
I'm rocking my floral skirt and my floral swimsuit.
And your colorful Tevas. Okay.
Today we got Travis coming with his outfit of the day. We got this white linen button up right here. You know, we gotta keep a few buttons out because it's hot. We got this tropical looking black shorts right here. You know, we gotta show the legs. We've been doing them squats. And then we got the Vans. You can't go on with them. No socks. Blend right into the combo. And then you got the bucket hat because it's so hot outside. You gotta get the sunblockers, alright? Let's do it. Memorial Day weekend.
There. Try not to get sand on people's towels, okay? There's a ton of people here.
It's not that warm.
No, that's because the sun's not out. Just get wet, baby. I'm right here. I don't want to get my skirt wet. Okay. Guys, this is what you do when you come to the beach. You can't really bring alcohol on the beach, guys, but hubby made like a nice peach punch.
Peach lemonade Long Island.
It's a peach lemonade Long Island, and he just put it in the bag, so we just brought it in something like this, and we pour it into our fancy pouches. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
we'll leave the rest of the onions and stuff till later, okay?
That's fine. Lovely.
Alright, that's that, folks. We're about to grub down. You know it.
That makes me wanna dance all night long. It's your summertime magic. Make me feel this way. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 go stop, 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 go stop, stop, stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 go stop, 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 stop. Is it time, 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 is it time, time?
A conch.
Oh, that's a baby. You know how big they get?
Oh,
Put 'em back.
don't kill it. Taylor, no.
Taylor, you see?
Yeah, Taylor and Daddy's playing frisbees.
Why did we put her hair in front?
Right?
Make me feel this way. Got me go stop, 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 go stop, 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 stop. Got me go stop, 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 go stop,
That's just it. Oh, good job. Almost.
go stop, stop, got me go stop, stop, go stop, 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 go stop, 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 stop.
Get it, get it, get it.
Time, 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 is it time, time?
One more time, one more time. Whoa, awesome. It's coming back. People are looking at me like my mind.
Yeah, we're going on, we're going on. It ain't a sunny day. But you know what? We might have been blessing in disguise. When it's hot, it's really hot. So it's kind of chill and overcast. The sun come out in spurts. But we enjoyed it the same way. We got here early enough to get a decent spot. Taylor's in the water enjoying it. Me and wife just on the side having this a one-on-one time. So I got my little special mix in the cup right here. You don't need the sun umbrellas or the chair covers. Just relaxing. And check
If I talk, they go say I did talk. Tell me why they use Panadol for our headache.
Alright, so we are walking along the beach. The sun is out again. We're about to go play some volleyball. Because like I mentioned, there are a lot of things you can do here on the beach. You know, there are a lot of restaurants. But volleyball is one of the activities. They have the volleyball nets already up. So we're going to walk over and see if we're able to get another game. Or just to kind of see if it's busy. Okay guys, so we've made it to the volleyball net, and it seems like each of the nets are occupied, but there's about 1, 2, 3, there are 4 nets. Oh no, that's okay. See that? Let me know. Leave a comment down the other thing that you can do when I was home, you can rent a beach house. So I'm going to show you guys some of these houses. They are just gorgeous. So if you want to come with a family or group of families, Isle of Palm Beach is the place to go because you are right on the beach. Also, guys, another thing is that you do not need to bring your own chairs. As you can see, you can rent your chairs. You can call ahead and have them reserved. You got in, Daddy? You got in? You says reserve, and they put your name on it so you know which chair is yours. Hours in, we're still at the beach. The sun came out, you guys. I had to get up from my nap. I took a nap. Like, I've never taken a nap at the beach. And I went in the water. Babe and Taylor just got back from the water. And they woke me up from my 1 hour nap.
It's time to eat again for me. I don't know about y'all.
That's why I'm enjoying this mango. Want a bite? No? Sure. It's time for you to get sunscreen again, baby.
Go on top of it.
Using the cooler to wash our face.
Baby, what you doing tonight?
I'll take the last of it. Ah! Yes, for the pipe. Standpipe vibes, guys. This is what y'all call standpipe. Washing our faces. Okay, guys. So one of the things that we love to do after the beach here on Isle of Palms is go to Ben & Jerry's because you get the best ice cream. I always get the same one every single time. So alright guys, this is my order, the chocolate fudge. Hi guys!
With sweet cream and cookies as my ice cream.
Oh wow,
and
that looks so good. Thank
chocolate
you.
M&Ms.
This looks so good. I don't ever get toppings. Here, try some. You want some?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Cream of cookies and the bottom is coffee.
Mine is sweet cream and
What's in
cookies.
yours, babe?
The top is sweet cream and cookies and the bottom is coffee.
The cookies are good.
I'm surprised you didn't get toppings, Daddy. A cup.
At least 10% of them fall off on the floor. I mean,
How's yours, baby girl?
That's why I got a cup.
Pull up your
the good
shirt.
thing is they're not stingy with it.
She dipped mine twice. She got the whole thing covered.
Yeah, not stingy with it.
How's yours?
Good.
A-okay?
That was great.
Want to try mine?
No, I'm good.
Mine is the best one.
I've tried it before, Mommy. It's not that good.
That is good, right? My ice cream.
Yeah, it's good.
She's such a little hater.
I mean, you don't gotta like it to say it's not good. That's good. You just don't like it. You would.
Okay, so we can get pizza also here on Isle of Palm. A lot of people today just walked over to the pizzeria, picked up their pizza, and then went right back on the beach. And inside of the pizzeria, there's like a bar, so you can get beer. Most places will have beer for you to get. And then further down, we also have like bike rentals and a whole bunch of other things. I'll show you guys all of that. Surfboard, bodyboard, skimboard rentals. So this is where you get all your rental items for your beach activities. It is now closed. They're open 10 to 6 and it's already 6:15. But yeah, you could get a lot of rental items for the beach here. All Island Surf Co. There are a lot of restaurants on the beach, guys. A lot of restaurants. Okay, so carrying along on our little walking tour of the main strip here in Isle of Palms, this is a little gift shop. And so this little gift shop, of course, they have a lot of items if you want to get souvenirs, but they also have hermit crabs. They have hermit crabs. Yeah, let's go look at it. No, I'm just showing it to you. Thank you.
Baby, what do you expect?
They're little anklets. I want to get you an anklet. Yeah, this is so cute. gonna get you this one, baby, with the starfish, because you're a
Look,
star.
But Mama, look. I'm gonna get you this. It's a mama turtle and a baby turtle.
Where's the baby turtle?
here.
That's so cute. And it's a mood necklace.
Yeah.
So it changes colors. Hi, babe.
Which
Where's
one are you
babe?
getting me?
This one. I like this one
I'm
for
getting
you.
you this.
It's okay. I don't need
I
anything.
want you to get it. Or Mommy, we can get BFFs.
Actually, I like that better.
Yeah, we can be BFFs. Wanna be my
Yeah,
BFF,
I do
Mommy?
want to be your
You wanna
BFF.
be my BFF?
Yeah, I'd rather the... I would totally get this for Daddy.
That's cute.
Taylor, they're name necklaces.
No way.
Yes.
Find
Yes
one.
way.
Where's the
Oh
key?
my gosh,
First
they're
let's find
so
the M.
cute.
First, let's find the M.
Do they have a
Christine,
Melissa?
Let's check.
Guys, there's a lot of stuff in here, but this is the cutest. I want to see if they have a Taylor.
Alyssa, Dadenta.
Let's see
We're
again.
looking for M's. There's probably another. Melissa!
They
here.
have a Melissa. Okay, I'm gonna ask Daddy to buy this for
And
me.
now I'm gonna look for mine.
Let's get you a Taylor. Do you see a T?
No, that's an,
Keep going.
That's more M's.
Keep going. No T's?
There's another one.
And then here are the hermit crabs. I remember, Taylor, I bought a hermit crab once before and it ran away.
Where are they?
They're right here.
Oh.
They just have cute shells. Look at that one moving.
Hermit crab. Hello? Oh, look at that one. I think it's dead.
We got our matching necklaces. Well, not matching necklaces.
They are matching.
Probably had to run to the car because guess what, guys?
Mommy, tell Daddy to meet us at the chairs.
Okay. He had to run. We had to call roadside assistance. Thank God for roadside assistance because
We locked ourselves out.
he locked the key in the car. So obviously we're like, oh my gosh. And then we're like, oh, that's why you pay insurance. Call roadside assistance. So he had to go and meet the guy who came to unlock the door. There's a lot of people swinging, yeah. So this is our favorite little spot here, Coconut Joe's.
But then Coconut Joe's added a new restaurant right next to it.
Well, they just added like a downstairs bar. They call it the swing bar.
Very cute.
But there's a lot of people here. Oh, they do have live music. And all the swings are taken today.
Very
Listening
big
to
game.
music.
I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong.
Why?
A doubt in my mind, I'm in love. I'm a believer, I couldn't leave her if I tried.
How do you feel now that you've locked the key in the car? You're
The only sad part about it was that I'm still at home with my dog, but otherwise than that, we got two guys doing chill. Somebody came open the bucket and I got my key back. What's that?
That's something I do.
You know what I'm saying? People got told, people got to pay extra expenses. I think somebody some money and
Let's
after that I
see.
probably won't even remember was there till I was. That's all I can win to me.
Everything's fine.
Alright, what's up guys? End of the day, I got 1 cup, 2 cup, we out. It's been a fun day. We got locked out the car earlier, the sun came out, we went into the water, we slept, we ate, we had a full beach day experience. Alright? So don't forget, Making It with the Matthews, videos dropping every Sunday. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. We're trying to get to that 100,000 subscribers.
Yes, we are. And one more thing, that's your phone in water.